the biggest thing I really want to talk about, now let's go back. Well, let's talk about first where the Bitcoin price is today, where it is right now.
As of May 21st, 2025, Bitcoin has reached a new all-time high, marking a significant milestone in the evolution of digital finance. This explosive growth is fueled by a combination of institutional adoption, favorable regulation, shifting macroeconomic trends, and a growing consensus among investors that Bitcoin is maturing into a legitimate asset class. One of the primary drivers of this surge has been the influx of institutional capital. Over the past year, financial powerhouses such as BlackRock, Fidelity, and Goldman Sachs have made notable Bitcoin acquisitions. Pension funds, university endowments, and hedge funds are now allocating portions of their portfolios to crypto. This institutional entry has been further enabled by the successful launch of multiple Bitcoin exchange-traded funds, particularly spot ETFs, which offer a simple, regulated pathway to invest in Bitcoin without the need for technical expertise or self-custody. At the same time, the regulatory environment in the United States has taken a more constructive turn. The U.S. Senate's advancement of the Genius Act, a framework designed to regulate stablecoins, has brought clarity to the sector, reducing uncertainty and encouraging participation from cautious investors. Several states, led by Texas, have taken proactive steps by proposing and enacting laws that allow the creation of state-level crypto reserves. These moves demonstrate that digital assets are increasingly being viewed not just as speculative instruments, but as part of broader fiscal strategies. Investor behavior is also evolving. Traditional assets like gold and stocks are seeing capital outflows as investors shift their attention to Bitcoin, viewing it as a superior store of value in the face of inflation and fiat currency instability. The idea of Bitcoin as digital gold is no longer hypothetical. It's becoming a reality, supported by on-chain data and institutional allocations. Inflation concerns and questions around central bank credibility are pushing both individuals and institutions to look for decentralized finite alternatives.
A lot of people right now are projecting Bitcoin over the next 2 weeks to get to 116 to 120. And I think that's very possible that could happen sometime this week because a lot of the things with the tariffs are clearing up. We're getting a lot of clarity on where Trump is going with the trade deals. People are starting to get more confidence in the economy. Stocks are doing extraordinarily well over the last few weeks. A lot of new investors are coming into the market because they're starting to see that Bitcoin's price is being sustained over time. That also is the same for XRP, Ethereum, and Bitcoin, and a lot of other cryptos out there. So I do believe we're on the verge of a huge altcoin market that we're going to come to, altcoin season as they call it. And I think that we're going to see a lot of movement in cryptocurrency over the next few months, specifically Bitcoin, Ethereum, and XRP.